Gotta. Oh shit! I can't see in front of me. God. Put it this way, this Honda Accord got a cracked transmission. I repaired with Say-B Well. And ever since, never cost me an issue for past, I want to say, 5 months now? So, this is the thing. This thing is a special edition VTEC mode. And you hear the turbo in it. Only thing why I was never put the turbo in it, because my right side of the car is like kind of fuck up. Ball joints and tie-ins. I don't believe it's the tie-in, I just believe there's a lower ball joint. But overall, I rebuilt this car. I put hello mountainside. If you can't see it, but that was a clip. But I put like, I don't know, maybe $12,000 into rebuilding this car. Gas mileage now, I put $20 in this thing, fill this thing up. I do maybe 300 miles with this thing without filling it up. Now, overall, yeah, it still got little pings and dings here and there, but you can't beat 260,000 miles like you see right here on the meter. And a lot of people saying it's running like a brand new car. And what I did to it, yeah, multiple oil floods, radiator floods, new radiator, all new hose. I think I did like maybe, I want to say like 6 to 8 transmission flush. I mean, I flushed the whole system out by hand. And my top speed on this car that I ever did was 132. And I pissed in my pants. I'll be honest. But now, I ain't showing to you. I'm doing like 35. You hear my turbo winding down. I can't see shit out here. I can't even see a freaking tree, cliff, or guardrail. None. Get me off the Blue Ridge. I mean, I've been to Padagny. I've been all through Blue Ridge. I mean, from Elon to Stanton and Elon to, we got a car come here, I think. But Elon to Pulaski, they're like Tennessee and Kentucky borderline. Then I went from Elon to West Virginia. My traveling is done here. I only got one more place to go, and that is the Virginia Beach. But since the coronavirus started and all this shit, you know, I think I prefer the mountains, stayed away from people and stuff like that. I was pretty much an anti-social person, so I really don't talk to people. So I should be okay, but if I don't kill myself on this cliff. But once I hit this parkway, I'm going in this because, state troopers and stuff like, how pursuing the law is. So, I think I'm getting ready to be there anyway. So, oh, shit, tree limb. But, I knew at YouTube, I'm learning all about this stuff. I put my life on the line to show you something about cars, maybe a little bit of wooding, adventure stuff coming on. I'm not so much a talking person, but I'm learning. So take time with me. I'll get to you. But for now, safety first, seatbelt on, slow down when you can't see shit in front of you, and I'll get right back to you shortly.